Have you ever wondered how to make money in real estate? It's a world filled with opportunities, a realm where financial success is not just a dream, but a tangible reality. The key: understanding the process, mastering the strategies. From residential to commercial properties, each transaction holds a wealth of potential. But it's not just about buying and selling. It's about knowing the game, playing it right. Now let's delve into the steps that can guide you to make money in real estate. The first crucial step is understanding the real estate market. It's like learning a new language, where each term, each trend, and each fluctuation has its own unique meaning. This is where market research enters the picture. It's the compass that guides you through the complex labyrinth of real estate, helping you identify potential investment opportunities. Now, let's talk about trends. They're like the heartbeat of the real estate market, giving you an insight into what's hot and what's not. By analyzing these trends, you can predict the future direction of the market and make informed investment decisions. Understanding your local market is equally vital. It's like knowing the back of your hand, where every nook and cranny could potentially hide a gem. This knowledge allows you to spot opportunities that others might overlook. Once you have a good understanding of the market, you're ready for the next step. The second step is selecting the right property. This isn't just about picking a house that catches your eye or a commercial space that seems convenient. It's a strategic move backed by careful research and analysis. Consider the location first. A property's value can be significantly influenced by its surroundings. Is it in a growing neighborhood? Are there schools, shopping centers, or transportation hubs nearby? These factors can make a property more desirable and thus more valuable. Next, examine the property's condition. A fixer-upper might seem like a bargain at first, but the renovation costs could skyrocket and eat into your profits. On the other hand, a property in excellent condition might command a higher price, but save you from unexpected expenses down the line. Lastly, consider the property's potential for appreciation. Look at market trends, future development plans in the area, and historical data. Remember, the right property is a crucial factor in your real estate investment journey. Once you've found the right property, it's time to make a deal. This is where the art of negotiation comes into play. Buying a property isn't just about throwing a sack of cash on the table. It's about understanding the seller's motivations, knowing the market, and having the patience to wait for the right opportunity. When it's time to sell, the same principles apply. You want to present your property in the best possible light, yet be transparent and fair. Remember, it's not just about making a quick buck. It's about building relationships and a stellar reputation for future deals. Timing is also crucial. You need to know when to hold and when to fold. There's a rhythm to real estate, a pulse that beats beneath the surface. You need to tune into this rhythm, dance to its tune. With the right strategies, buying and selling properties can be a rewarding venture. So, there you have it. We've traversed the realms of real estate, delving into the intricacies of understanding the market, pinpointing the perfect property, and finessing the art of the deal. We've underscored the significance of each step, painting a comprehensive picture of what it takes to thrive in this industry. Remember, successful real estate investing is a journey. It takes time, patience, and the right strategies. Stay tuned for more tips and strategies on our channel.